In Urdu, alif, dal, dal, zal, re, re, ze, je, je, and wow. These 9 letters are called non-connectors. Non-connectors means if a letter comes after these non-connectors, it is not joined to them. Suppose one of these letters or more than one letters come between a word, then the letter after these non-connectors is written separately. For example, in word kamyab, alif is here. Alif is here. Alif is before meme. So meme is not connected to alif. Meme is written separately. And there is another alif here. So after it comes bay. And bay is not connected to alif. Bay is written separately. Similarly, let's take another example. Nadi. Nadi. In this word, dal comes after noon. Sorry, and before ye. So, choti ye is written separately. It is not joined to dal. Nadi. Now another example. Mandi. Mandi. In this word, dal comes before choti ye. So choti ye is not connected to dal. It is written separately. Mandi. Let's take another example. Zikr. Zikr. In this word, kaf comes after zal. So kaf is not connected to zal. It is written separately. Zikr. Zikr. Rakam. Rakam. In this word, af comes after re. So af is not joined to re. It is written separately. Rakam. Rakam. Now another word. Salak. Salak. Here re comes before kaf. So kaf is not joined to re. It is written separately. Salak. Another example. Varzish. It is a 4-letter word, and first 3 letters of this word are non-connectors. So these 3 letters are written separately. Since 3rd letter in the word is also not a non-connector, so the 4th and final letter is written separately. Varzish. Vav is a non-connector, so re is written separately. Re is also non-connector, so ze is written separately. Ze is also non-connector, so sheen is written separately. Television. Television. In this we can connect choti a and wow, choti a to wow, then it will be written as television. Television. But wow is a non-connector, so ye is written separately, and je is also a non-connector, so noon is written separately. Television, television, television. Another word, jamhuriyat, jamhuriyat. In this word, wow is a non-connector, so re is written separately, and re is also a non-connector, so ye is written separately. Jamhuriyat, jamhuriyat. So these are 9 non-connectors, and they are dal, alif, dal, dal, zal, re, re, ze, je, and wow. These 9 letters are non-connectors.